adapt into the new environment. And we all know, in Japan, they have, the maximum number of earthquakes in Japan. And it's their routine, they accept it. Now it's become a part of their life. And you know what happened here in India? Even if there is a 1 second of earthquake, whatever happened, how anxiety, depression starts here. They learn to live with the nature. And the character is flexibility, adaptability. They also know how to maintain the balance between the personal life and the personal life and professional life. Whenever they are in the office, they are only for the office. Whenever they are in home, they are only for the home. They learn how to maintain the balance. That's again another character, which is the prerequisite for the Kaizen. And of course, they love cleaning. We also believe that cleanliness is the godliness, as said by Mahatma Gandhi ji. They have a very systematic approach. We called it 5S. Probably we can discuss this sometime in next session. Cleanliness. And we all know how Japanese respect each other. It's not just a position which they respect. It's not the age which they respect. It's the mankind. They respect everybody whatsoever the age or position is. They also have a sense of ownership. Whatever they do, they take the full ownership. Like somebody say commitment. Yes, ownership required commitment. They do whatever they accept. These are the few characters which will help us to implement Kaizen. Now, what to change coming to our area, the current scenario, we have to have two changes. We need to change first the mindset, and we need to change the skill set. So mindset and skill set, these are the two immediate areas where we need to work. Probably we need to adapt the flexibility. This corona, this COVID-19 has, again, it's a new destruction. Unless we become flexible, unless we accept, we assess, we cannot act. So ladies and gentlemen, with here I would come to the end of the session. One thing I would like to say regarding this current scenario, please remember, the future is unpredictable. Yes, we know, we don't know. Probably in the meantime, a lot of astrologers are doing some predictions. Let them do. A lot of management gurus are doing some forecasting. Probably a lot of people are doing some anticipation, but still the future is unpredictable. And remember, when I say unpredictable, it doesn't mean the future is dark. It's both sides. It's unknown. It could be brighter side also, but it is unpredictable. And since it is unpredictable, let's hope it is always full of opportunities. It's always full of opportunities. And to prove this, let's have one small activity and then we'll finish the session. This activity has some message. And I'm excited with your participation. So let me show you one picture. Let everybody take a look on the picture. And I'll give you some time. And then probably you can put your answer into the chat box. So here is the picture. Just do the observation. Just put your mind. And you have to tell how many square, not the rectangle, square, you can see in this picture. You have a time of 5 minutes. So and the chat box is 3 minutes.
Just use only a minute for this activity.
Okay.
Tell us how many squares are there, everyone.
How many squares are there and the chat box is open. Your time start now.
Sanjana says 32. Okay.
So quick.
Shampa says 50. Wow.
Somebody maybe have already gone through this.
Manoj says 55, Ashwini says 32, 31. We have got 34 also. Ram Kulkarni says 32, Devansh 32, Jagdish 36, Vinod 36, Ankit 38, Amit 51, Ankur 5, 36, 36,
Wonderful.
32. Nice, okay. But we haven't got the correct answer as of now. Praduman, you said 212, my dear. It's only square, not the rectangle we have to calculate. Karamjeet 14, Akshay. All right, Dilip says between 50 to 51, Champa 51. Just try a little bit. You are very much near, guys.
Wonderful participation.
Amazing.
But then the one who said more than 200 or probably more than 100, see, we cannot recalculate the same square more than once.
Yeah.
It's only one square at a time. You cannot say 16s are here, 16 on the back side. Not like this. So there is no 3D approach.
Okay, so we got 46, 49, 60,
Great.
34.
Participation.
Amazing. All right.
That's
So I think it's already a 1 minute plus. So maybe Pradeep, you can share the answer.
okay.
Right? And let's see why we did this activity.
Okay, I'll tell you why this, but let's see the right answer.
Yes.
So here is the right answer. The video.
Pradeep, the video is not coming clearly. We can share the answer now.
Is it there?
No, just close it, please. Just share the answer. It is not coming. Some challenge.
Okay, the video is not coming. Anyway. So guys, it's 52 is the right answer.
Thank you.
So anyway, that's fine. All efforts are acceptable. So it's not who's the winner, who's the loser. But the question is, what is the learning? The learning is, this is the unpredictable picture. Though, however, we can see, but the answer is unknown. But if we put our mind, there are a lot of opportunity. The answer is actually opportunity. So somebody sees the 50 opportunity, somebody sees the 30 opportunity, somebody sees the 20 opportunity. Maybe somebody is looking for the 200 opportunities, the more optimistic one. But that's nothing wrong. That's nothing wrong. So yes, there is a full of opportunity in the upcoming time, but still it is unpredictable. And when there is unpredictability, we have no choice but to do only accept, assess, and act. As somebody says, there's a beautiful quote. Somebody say, we could not choose the card when we play a game. We have no choice of card, but we have to play the way we know. So this is something like the circle, what is in our control and what is not in our control. So of course the card, the resources, the time, the situation is not in our control, but yes, we can do whatever is in our control. And this is the learning from Kaizen. This is how we can learn from Kaizen and implement in the current scenario. So with this, I come to the end of the session, and probably we'll finish with one activity again finally, with Danuba suggest me. So now guys, we all are going through the same situation. So let's again use the chat box and please share what are the challenges which you all are facing during this scenario. Quickly, what are the challenges which we are facing during this area, this time?
Okay, so Devanshu says flexibility. Guys, challenges that you're currently facing in the lockdown. If you could
So
just
Devanshu, you mean to say you are not able to being adaptable, or you lack flexibility, or what?
Okay.
So this is very individual question. What you particularly is facing the challenge?
So I like the responses. It says that work from home is a challenge, creating demand, being patient, good enjoyment with kids, workplace, transportation, haircut, flexibility and adaptability, economic survives, financial challenges, motivations to go outside. KG, we will tell you how 52 in some time, my dear, the answer. Okay,
Yes,
Nicole
yes.
says motivation, business getting redundant due to, indeed. So guys, thank you so much. It was again a nice thought you all are sharing here about the challenges you all are facing.
Probably the same. But most of the challenges are common. So what we do? So here we have a learning from Kaizen. We have a so many tool available from Kaizen philosophy, probably which can help us to going through this phase. So now Anuba will propose you a full-fledged Kaizen program which may help you to cope up with the situation. Anuba.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pradeep, and thank you everyone, guys. To be honest, as Pradeep mentioned, there are various tools. So, guys, Prisma already is offering a various certification programs to their corporates, to the individual level and the institution. We have a flagship program called Prisma for Executive, Prisma for Manager, Prisma for Leaders, and Prisma on Total Quality. Now, in this, if you will see, there are various programs. So 7 programs which get comprises for executive, 7 programs which comprises for manager, and 7 programs is for leader. And the total quality certification is for the all the quality element. So if you wish to join our sessions, we would request kindly share your requirement to us. We can cater both individually as well as at a corporate level, and it will be really nice to share our details and thoughts. So these are all certification program, and then we will not go very deep dive into it because we are just a minute to close the session. So we will send you this, and if you can just help us to know our feedback for today's session, guys, it will be really nice. Maybe a one word for us. How did you like the session? And that will actually help us and motivate us. And we're really looking forward if you wish to join our Wednesday session and our Saturday session, which is on effective listening and spirituality and meditation. So thank you so much. I loved the response. Parul says fantastic. Nadine says yes, it's a certification program, my dear. Vikrant says interactive, fantastic, wonderful session. Shandar, I love the word. Thank you so much, Manoj and Pradeep sir. One
Thank
word,
you.
very informative. Dilip, very good. Amazing, Manpreet from her. A wonderful experience. Excellent. Thank you. Oh, wow. So we just loved your responses, guys. We really thank you from core of our heart. And with this, guys, it's 11:30 dot in my watch. I must thank you again, Pradeep, and thank you so much again, guys, for your wonderful interaction and wonderful time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruba, and thank all the participants.
Thank you, guys.
Have a nice day.
We're signing off.
Thanks, Anuba. Thanks, Pradeep.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Perfect.
Thank you so much, Anuba. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Prakash.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Really nice. Thank you. Good morning. Please use the chat box, guys.